What we are building here, this is a simple portfolio to get more clients. For you want a personal portfolio website, looks like good as like this, make a perfect website. Hey, how are you? Today we are going to see a brand new website for a 3D artist, Saiful Islam. He is working great things in Fiverr. So in short, we will see what we are building here, what are the final results for his work. This is a simple portfolio to get more clients for his 3D works. Let's jump into the website and check what we have done for his business. So this is the homepage. And this is a gold vibrant with background color. It's a dark color, so people can see, yes, these things are 3D, so people can automatically understand this. Yes, these guys can solve our problem. And here is direct call to action. People can direct quote him and people can see his works. And here is all the thing that he do in short, simple. People can directly understand that yes, he can do these things for us. And little description and all the service he's offering one by one. If someone want to click in project, it will open that project, specifically what he's offering to them. And if you're back and then back, yes, here's all other services he's offering. And the technical expertise, people are asking about it because people will know how it's work and how it should be. And people will ask him about his work and what is his skill set. So here is all the things he know and what his statistic, what he's done. And this is the plan, and it is the right plan for people. And click people on here. This is the big one that people will understand that yes, he's valuable. And this is general, and it is combined of both. So you can see the color, you can automatically shift in mind that yes, this is the mix of both. And this is the call to action. And the latest project, what clients say about him, everything good, perfect. And the frequent asked questions people ask every time. And this is the final contact form, contact information, people can contact with him. If I go to menu, people can navigate easily. Latest project about him. This is another page to understand more about him, who he is and what he's doing. And yes, this is a talented person, and his contact information and a booking meeting, so he can make a schedule and talk with people that if he can help them. And his testimonial again. And in portfolio, if I go to portfolio, so I will see all the portfolio he has, and I can jump the sections or the works he has done and his Facebook handles and etc. And here is one call to action. People can call him in WhatsApp, people can message him in email. So yes, this is the website we have done. Let's see what it look like in mobile version. Yes, this is the mobile version of the website, everything aligned and perfectly showing. And the call to action, and this call to action is so much near to click and highlighted. All the concepts are easy to understand and highlighted with call to action buttons. And this is the portfolio page. Someone want to see his work, everything is here waiting for them. Yes, perfect. And also about page, yeah, perfect, looks good, isn't it? So if you are a creative professional, graphic designer, video editor, or a mentor, bookkeeper, manager, you want a personal portfolio website, looks like good as like this, and more than connecting with your brand and color, everything. So contact with me, I will help you to reach out to more people, make a perfect website, landing page website, a better portfolio website that will grab more people as a magnet. It will work as a sales tool. So allow me to help you on your business, on your brand. Follow to see more.